What is up, guys, and welcome back to another one of Epic Gamer Boys YouTube video. So today we're going to be unboxing UFC 3 for the ps4. Just to let you guys know that this game came out yesterday. Here we have the front cover. Here we have this side. Here we have the back. We have some details of the game and what the game would look like. So that you guys know, this game is 25 gigabytes minimum, and it is 1 to 2 players. Let's open this up. Here we have the disc, and here we have some papers about the settings and the controls for the game. And we got the inside. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like.